This is meteorologist Eric Hayden with the National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York. This is your weather brief for the next couple of days. If you're lucky, perhaps you have an extended weekend. It's looking very nice and warm. Let's get to the details.
Starting off on Friday, temperatures just a little bit cooler than we have been the past few days, but still not bad when we're talking the first few days of September and still into the 80s. As we head through Saturday, temperatures very similar. We warm a few degrees on Sunday, but more importantly, dry Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you have weekend plans, you're looking quite nice. And if you're lucky enough to have off Labor Day on Monday, we think it could be one of the hotter days of the weekend. In fact, perhaps near 90 in places like Syracuse and Scranton, and well into the 80s, even across the Catskills. If you like the warm air, you're in luck. At least through the middle of next week, we're talking highs well into the 80s each day. By the end of next weekend into the end of the week period, we're thinking temperatures slide back just a little bit, but even then, we're talking above normal or probably middle to upper 70s. Now, as we get beyond next weekend and toward the middle part of the month, we're still watching some cooler changes developing to our north. This is a model we use to forecast for September 13th. At this point, some cool air across the upper Midwest, but the pattern for us perhaps turning wetter, something we could certainly use as a lot of our lawns are drying up across our area. And then as we get beyond the middle part of September, a chunk of this cooler air may try to settle in, and that's what we'll certainly watch here over the coming weeks. Want to bring your attention to something else. You can always get our forecast online, but we added some new videos to our YouTube channel. One of them is an interview with one of our forecasters who's in Idaho right now helping out with the fires. Appreciate you joining us. Again, I'm meteorologist Eric Hayden from the National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York.